Hi, in this video I'll tell you everything you need to know about the bow. The different parts are the screw, the frog, grip, the stick, the tip and the hair. And let's start with the hair. Try not to touch it with your hand because the oils of your hand may cause that you lose grip on the strings. We use the screw to put tension on the hair. You can turn it up. But how much? Well, it's a good use to take a pen or a pencil and that should fit in between, like that. If you turn it too hard, then the bow might look like that, and then it will certainly break here at the tip. And also keep in mind that if you turn up the tension, that the stick should have a curve towards the hair like that. So this is too tight, the curve should be like that. This is rosin, and that's what you put on the hair of your bow. Now if you buy a new violin and you have a new bow, there's not going to be any rosin on it, so you have to really put that on firmly. Just enough that you feel grip on the strings. You don't have to do this every day, but if you feel that you lose grip on the strings, then just put some rosin on it like that and you're ready to play. The hold of the bow is discussed in the first lesson, but I'll run you through this one quickly. The thumb goes between the frog and the grip, and a round thumb like that. Your fingers go over the bow like that, and the little finger goes on top like that. If you have that right, stretch your arm and turn the bow, and you can see if everything's correct, turn it back like that. And if you do it correctly, you should be able to hold the bow with only the little finger and the thumb. The first finger is used for the pressure on the string. And this is really important because this determines a great deal the tone that you produce. The first finger.